A lot of things to talk about, but obviously with you, I want to talk about your first goal and what it means to you to score in that type of situation.
Yo, get the speaker box loud.
Less than 30 seconds left on the power play. Cross-ice pass, scores! The go-ahead goal! The first in the National Hockey League!
Another big rebound, Brendan, and that's what I'm talking about. That's the point. Someone should stay a little higher.
Pass, here's Johnson, got it across, and they score! Adam Fantilli.
Bring it across the line, Adam Fantilli scores! What a shot, what a goal!
Getting that stuff to do with that sound.
Shoot the puck now.
Exactly, and there it is, and scores! Adam Fantilli has tied it at 5.
Take it back by Fantilli.
Here's Marchenko with a shot off the back wall and in. Great hustle by Voronkov again. Johnny sends it towards the net, deflected off Samuelson, and it's into the net. Adam Fantilli, ever the opportunist, and the Blue Jackets have their first to go here in this first period.